Hi everyone! Today you're going to see how YITH WooCommerce Waitlist works and all the options it has for you. With this plugin, you can let customers subscribe to waiting lists for the products they're interested in that perhaps are out of stock or unavailable. When these products are back in stock, they're going to get automatic email notifications to let them know they can go get them. Before we get into it, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so that you know every time we have a new video for you. Now, let's get to it. Let's say you have a product on your site that has just sold out, so is now out of stock. A lot of customers are interested in it, but they cannot buy it now. Their usual reaction would be to go get it somewhere else, unless you let them subscribe to a waitlist so they can get an email as soon as the product is back in stock. By offering this option, you won't lose sales and customers for not having stock. So to offer this option, first make sure to get and activate our plugin, YITH WooCommerce Waitlist. Then on YITH Waitlist, you'll find 4 tabs. And the first one, General Options, will find 2 sub-tabs, Options and Exclusion List. In Options, we'll find the option to enable the waitlist on all out-of-stock products, except the ones in the exclusion list, or products in the exclusion list only. If I select this one, all out-of-stock products, as soon as a product is out of stock, a waitlist form will be added to its page. Let's see an example. This product is out of stock, and right here I have the waitlist form so I can subscribe to this product's waitlist. This is what customers that are not logged in would see, the option to enter their email address. If customers are logged in, they wouldn't need to enter their email address. We have these notices. This product is currently sold out. Don't worry, enter your email and we'll notify you when it's available. And then we have the submit button. For example, I can enter my email address here and click on submit, and I get this message to confirm the subscription. In case you have a variable product with a variation that's out of stock, the waitlist form would be available only for the out of stock variation, and customers could get an email when it's back in stock, like this. This is the variable product, size large is out of stock, so I get the waitlist form. But if I change to, for example, medium, this is not out of stock, so I'm going to be able to add it to the cart. Okay, back to the dashboard. Now the following option is keep the list after sending the notification. If you enable this option to keep the list, you can email users again after the first email is sent. Now if you keep it disabled, the list will be emptied after sending the email notification. And you also have options here to use Mandrill. You can enable it here and then enter the API key. Let's go to the second sub-tab, Exclusion List. If there are any products, categories, or tags that you want to exclude, so the waitlist feature is not applied to them, you can add them here by clicking on Add Exclusion. And you can select here product, category, or tag. Let's add a product to this exclusion list. I'm going to search for handbag. I can add more products here if I want to. Now I'm going to click on Add Exclusion to the list, and here is the excluded product. So now even if this product is out of stock, the waitlist feature won't be added to the product page. Customers won't see a field to enter their email address and subscribe because that option is not available for this product. Let me show you. So as we said before, this variation is out of stock, so we have the waitlist form. But if I go to the handbag, you see the product is out of stock, but there's no waitlist form. I cannot subscribe to the waitlist, and I don't know when it will be available again. Back to the dashboard. So all the excluded products, tags, and categories will be visible here. You also have bulk actions here to remove all the exclusions, to filter based on the exclusion type, to search waitlist here, and you can also delete each exclusion individually by just clicking on this icon. Now let's go to the second tab, form in product page, here we have two subtabs, options and customization. In options, we'll find two options. The option to enable the privacy policy checkbox. If you enable this one, you can enter or edit the privacy policy text customers will have to agree to. And then you have Google reCAPTCHA to prevent spam submissions. Here you can select the version and enter the site key and the secret key. I'm going to keep this one disabled and I'm going to save options. And the next subtab is customization. Here's where you can customize the design of the form and the notices shown on the product pages. Let's see, we have the section background, the padding, border radius, and here we have the notice to show in out-of-stock products. This is the text that we were seeing before. This product is currently sold out. Don't worry, enter your email and we'll notify you when it's available. You can edit this and you can even add an unsubscribe link. Let me show you. I'm going to type in to unsubscribe to this waitlist, click, and I'm going to go here to this YITH icon. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to see these options. I can add the blog name, site title, product name, product SKU, product price, and the unsubscribe link. I'm going to choose this one. There. So now if customers want to unsubscribe to this waitlist, they can just click here. I'm going to delete this. You can also change the form placeholder, the button label, colors. You can add a counter so users know how many other users are subscribed to each waitlist. And then right here we have the success and error notices section. For example, here's the subscription message. We added you to this product's waitlist and we'll send you an email when the product is available. The removal message, notice to show when confirmation is required, error message, and you can also set the colors here. Now let's move on to the email settings tab. Here you can manage and customize the emails that are sent to users about the waitlist they're subscribed to. We have the subscription email, the user subscribed email. This one is sent to the admin instead of the customer. The confirm your subscription email, product back in stock, and promotional. You can disable and enable these email notifications like this. And also click here on edit to expand each email and its settings. For example, this is the product back in stock email. We have an option to send it automatically. So as soon as the product status is back in stock, the email will be sent to customers so they can come to the site and get the product. You have who to send it to. You can send it to all users or to a limited number of users according to the stock quantity. So if you have 10 people subscribed to a waitlist, but you now have 5 in stock, then this email is going to be sent to 5 of those users subscribed to the waiting list. You have the subject, email heading, type, content, footer text, show product image, and analytics tracking parameters. Another interesting email is the promotional email you can see here. Let's click on edit. This one allows you to suggest another product to a customer that's already subscribed to a waitlist. The default subject is an interesting product for you. You will love this item. We're sending this message to you because we noticed you were interested in this out of stock item. Unfortunately, this item is still not available, but we're excited to show you an alternative item you might love, which is now for sale in our shop. And here's where you can enter the product they might be interested in. You can click here to add these placeholders to the email content. And finally, there's the products with the waitlist tab. This tab contains all the products with an active waitlist. We can see we have 4 active waitlists. You have the product, the variation in case this is a variable product, the stock status, which of course is out of stock, and the users that are subscribed to each waitlist. We have 7 users subscribed to this sneakers waitlist, for example. You have bulk actions here to delete the waitlist or to send the back in stock email manually. And you can filter waitlist by status, by in stock or out of stock. You can search waitlist here. And you also have individual options. You can delete each waitlist And if you click here, you can view users, so you can see all these 7 users that are subscribed to the waitlist. You can send the back in stock email, and you can also send the promotional email. For example, if you choose to send the back in stock email, you're going to get this window asking you if you want to continue. If you do want to continue, the email will be sent to all 7 users in this waitlist. Now, if you choose to send the promotional email, you'll get this window where you can edit the email content, the subject. You can see the placeholders to add here. You can select the product to promote in this email, and you can see a preview of the email right here. So this product is out of stock, but we're suggesting users that are subscribed to this waitlist to go get this product that is currently in stock. Let's close this. If I click on view users, I can also add a user to the list by clicking here on add user. I can add an existing user or create a new user here. I can export this into a CSV file. And if I go back, there is an import CSV button to import waitlist. If I click here, I can import the waitlist by choosing the product first and then uploading the CSV file here. Now let's go to the sneakers edit page. You can see the plugin added this section to the right. This is added to all products that are out of stock and are not excluded from the waitlist feature. If I click on view, I'll be redirected to the users list where I can see all the users that have subscribed to this product's waitlist. And if I click on send, I'm going to email the back in stock email to the users that are subscribed to this product's waitlist according to what I have configured in the plugin general settings and in the email settings. Lastly, in the My Account page, users will find a waitlist section here where they can see any waitlist they're subscribed to. And if you have enabled the option to show the removal button, they will be able to remove their email address from the waitlist with just one click. Okay, so that's how our YITH WooCommerce Waitlist plugin works. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll meet again for our next video.